Spies from Outer Space, and the TV pilot Don't Count Your Chickens, a science fiction, comedy, drama, romance written by James L. Kearns. Copyright 2023, all rights reserved. James L. Kearns, the screenwriter of this comedy, has written 3 books, 8 screenplays, and 3 television pilots. This screenplay is judged to be a solid narrative by the International Screenplay Association. Another screenplay he wrote, Teen Angel, was quarter-finalist at the Faith in Film International and officially selected for inclusion in the festivals. In the all-genre screenplay contest, James L. Kearns has a BA from the University of Central Florida in Communication. Spies from Outer Space is a solid comical narrative where incompetent aliens from the planet Sheldar masquerade as human beings, a black male and a white female, which are stuck together, who make desperate efforts to save their world by invading ours. They can move from being face to face to side by side. They can detach completely, but only for a short time and at great risk. They have been given a mission to travel to the Earth to spy on it and bring back food supplies for the starving masses on Sheldar. Billions of Bellicans will die if they fail. They disobey their orders, lay an egg, and have children during the mission. Their overlord Precourt, the ruler of their planet, will imprison them for life and enslave their children if they fail to complete their mission. During the mission they crash the spacecraft in New York Harbor and are forced to live among the single humans until they can repair it. Fox Mulder and Dana Skullhead are FBI agents who are hot on their trail as they attempt to load all manner of cattle, sheep, chickens, pigs, fish, and other animals for food supplies to take back on the spacecraft. Their hilarious trials are many with the dangerous creatures they load on the ship, including a great white shark, an anaconda, a rabbit squirrel, and even Africanized honeybees. They are imprisoned for their failure and have to prove their mission was a success or spend life in prison and their children will be enslaved. The animals they brought back will provide enough food for the masses if they conserve them, but the overlord Precourt does not see it that way. Shalem and Shayla have to lead a rebellion against the overlord Precourt or millions of Bellicans will starve who have also been imprisoned by the overlord. An International Screenplay Association review found Spies from Outer Space is a solid narrative, providing good parody with lively characters. From the perspective of imagery, this story would stand out on the screen as the writer takes full advantage of the medium. We like the overall premise. Spies from Outer Space is a lively story. This is a fun premise with well-drawn and colorful characters. There's good energy on the page and it's clear that the writer has more content to follow, that the vision doesn't just end with the close of the script. Nicely done. Science fiction comedy movies consistently perform well at the box office and attract a dedicated fan base. Galaxy Quest and Men in Black are 2 high-grossing films about aliens that come to mind in this genre. My college professor confidently assures me that the film I have written is begging for a cult following of devoted stoner fans who will spend the next 20 years of their lives judging one another based on their opinions of this film. While this may be a high-budget film, the rewards should also be great. As an example of similar science fiction, comedy genres, Galaxy Quest grossed over $90.7 million at the global box office with a budget of $45 million. Men in Black grossed over $589.4 million with a budget of $90 million. Another similar film, Paul, grossed over $98 million with a budget of $40 million. Similarly, this film Spies from Outer Space should fit well within these budget parameters and earn similar rewards, but possibly more, due to the hook of a black man and a white woman being stuck together. Production time frames for Spies from Outer Space should be very similar in scope to these other major films. Filming for Men in Black began in March 1997 and was released in November of that year. Filming for a similar film, Mars Attacks, was filmed between February to June of 1996. This film should fit well within similar time frames. The TV pilot Don't Count Your Chickens, both in a 60 and 30-minute version, based on this feature are also available for production, and once produced, could it become the next Star Trek or Big Bang Theory if only given the chance? There is only one way to find out. Produce it. Spies from Outer Space and the television pilot Don't Count Your Chickens, copyright 2023, all rights reserved. Written by James L. Kearns.